everybody. So today we're going to be talking about this Covozon surge protector that I received. I absolutely love this surge protector. It has 8 different slots available, and it also has the wide slots. So if you have, a charger that's going to take up a lot of space, they do have the wide slots available there for you. These are all 3 prongs, and then it also has USBs. So it has 2 regular USBs and then 2 USB-Cs. And it does have the on and off switch. If you're not using it, you can just flip that off and no worrying about wasting electricity. So this is designed to be safe from anything sticking into it that's not supposed to. So, your kid goes in with a fork, they're not going to be able to get that in there. They are also slightly waterproof, so if you splash water on it, that's not going to ruin the outlet or, cause any damage. These are also able to withstand a lot of heat, so you're not going to worry about, any fires starting from this getting overheated. So if you're looking for a new surge protector, I highly recommend this. It has all the available slots, whether you're in your bedroom, at the office, near your TV. This is going to have a plug for everything. It has the 2 wider plugs there, so you're able to plug in things that have the bigger adapter. And overall, I'm just very satisfied. Thank you.